Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. Thank you. You can sit down. All right, then today we first of all going to look at the homework that you were given in the previous lesson, and if we have time, we'll look at an introduction on matrices, which is the last topic I hope that we are going to look at this year. All right, you were given, I think, 4 questions to do. Question 10, question 11, 12, 13, and 14, 5 questions. All right, question 10, we will come and do it on the board. Question 11, any volunteers? Phone relay, 12. Lester. Okay, question 13, we'll have to have Agel. You do the question on the board and explain it to the class, please. Okay, quick. How did you do the question on the right pyramid? You're supposed to use the sine rule. Sine rule and the cos. When it says right pyramid.
Yeah, right pyramid, and then it's on a regular pentagon.
If it is 8 centimeters high, and each side of the base is 5 centimeters, the length of the HVA. Yeah, oh, that means here to here. Yeah. How can you do that? You have to draw if it is 8 centimeters high, the length from V to the middle of the pentagon is 8. So you have to draw right angles from there to one of the vertex. Yeah, which will be half of 8. No, not half of 8. You have to use the sine rule. Give me your calculator quickly. You have to use the cosine rule. Okay, that's 108, right? Because that's a pentagon. And these two will be equal, which means this is going to be 108 divided by 2 is what? Divided by 2. 54. This is 54. This is 54. And this is 72. Yeah, so this is 72 degrees. Okay, to find this one, this one is 5 over 72. 72 is equal to x over sine of 54. So x, okay, multiply 5 by sine 54. Divided by sine 72. 4.2. 4.2, which you can do that. There's a way to, you draw because this is an isosceles triangle, draw a right angle triangle here. That's 54, that's 36, and then you can work out this one. It's 2.5, try it. Okay, sine Sine of, okay, we want this one. No, cos of 54 equals.
Question 10 reads, a man pedals a canoe to a point Q on a bearing of 12 degrees, a distance of 45 kilometers. Another man also leaves the point P and pedals on a bearing of 102 degrees, thus traveling a distance of 50 kilometers to R. A. Draw a diagram to illustrate the given information, which I have drawn.
Because it should be longer than
B. Find the distance QR. To find the distance QR, you find the square root of
I don't know why.
PQ squared plus PR, which is 4,525, the square root of that is 67.3 kilometers. To find the bearing, you have to find the tangent. Tangent theta equals 45 over 50, which is 42 degrees. And the bearing is 78 minus 42 equals 36. Therefore, the bearing of Q from R is 324 degrees.
Put it on the table. Clockwise. You should just change the label. You don't need to change everything. You just go A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. Yeah. Diagram is alright.
Then it's wrong.
What?
No, labeling also is confused.
No, even if you put it here, A, B, C, D, so long as you don't go A, B, C, D, you have to follow, like if you go this way, then it's A, B, C, D, E, F, not A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. You follow the diagram. You can do it. VA has to be longer than 8. The height is 8. From here to the middle is 8. Huh?
8.4. That's what I got. From E to the middle here, I think it's 2.5.
When the price of a bus ticket was increased by 52, the number of tickets. The number of what? Yeah, so you have to let X be the original, then the other one is X plus. No, you can say X plus 50. Because the price is increased. Is it? Because that's what it says. The number of tickets which could be bought for 100 kina was reduced by 10. The number of tickets is Y. So you got Y minus 10 here. When the price is increased, it's X plus 50, but note that it's 50 toya, and that 100 is 100 kina. Okay, let him continue.
The question reads, ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. A square ABXY is drawn outside the hexagon. Find the angles in triangle
Okay, this-
BFY.
From here.
First
to
I drew
middle,
the
it's
regular
same as
hexagon,
From here to here.
and then
With
I
a
drew a regular
hexagon.
square
This one
outside
is 5. You can
the
actually
line
find
AB.
this one.
and I drew the triangle BFY.
You can find this one by
So
dividing this angle by
first of all, we have to find
This is
a single
108.
angle, which is one of the
So
angles
this
in a
one is
hexagon.
54 and this one is 54.
One of the
can
angles in a
find
hexagon
this
is 120 degrees. Then we say 180 degrees. We refer to this small triangle, triangle FAB. 180 degrees minus 120 degrees equals 60 degrees. And 60 degrees divided by 2 is 30 degrees for both of these angles. Angle AFB and angle ABF. They are both 30 degrees. Then we say angle FBY, this one, angle FBY is equal to angle ABF plus angle ABY. So angle ABY, this line diagonally bisects it cuts the square, which makes these two angles, they are 45 degrees. So we say 30 degrees plus 45 degrees, angle FBY of the triangle BFY, angle FBY is equal to 75 degrees, which is this angle. Then we have to find angle FAY, which is this angle. Angle FAY is equal to 360 degrees, as these 3 points meet on a single, these 3 lines meet at a single point. So 360 degrees minus angle BAY plus angle BAF is equal to 360 degrees minus 90 degrees plus 120 degrees is equal to 150 degrees. So angle FAY is 150 degrees. Then we know that angle FAY is equal to angle AFY. These two angles in the isosceles triangle. So 180 degrees minus angle FAY is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, which is 30 degrees. 30 degrees divided by 2, each of these isosceles angles are 15 degrees. So angle FYA is equal to angle AFY, which is 15 degrees. Then we say angle BFY is equal to angle AFB plus angle AFY. So 30 degrees plus 15 degrees, angle BFY is equal to 45 degrees. Then we have to find angle BYF. Angle BYF is equal to 180 degrees minus angle FBY plus angle BFY, which is 75 degrees plus 45 degrees. We subtract that from 180 degrees. Then we get angle BYF is equal to 60 degrees.
Where's your homework? You didn't come yesterday. Did you just copy from Pond Relay or you had these answers? Excuse me. No, when I see yours. Did you just copy this from Pond Relay or you had it before? Hmm? You copied. You can't copy all that time. Did you have the same answers that Pond Relay got for your answers here? Did you have the same ones that he got? Sorry.
the question reads, when the price of a bus ticket was increased by 50 toea, number of tickets which could be bought for 100 kina was reduced by 10. What was the original price of the ticket? Let X be the original price. X plus 50 toea is the new price. 100 divided by the new price equals 100 divided the original price
Divided by x plus
minus
45 is
10.
the number of tickets. Remember, the number of articles is the price over the
So the equation is 100 over
the
x plus
price for one.
50 toea equals 100 over x minus 10. We multiply x with 10 with, okay, x times 100 equals x, 100x over x plus 50 toea, and x multiplied by 10 equals 10x. We multiply this with 110x. 100x equals 100 minus 10x in one bracket multiplied by x plus 50 toea in another bracket equals 100x equals 100x plus 50 minus 10x squared minus 5x. So collect like terms. 100x minus 5x equals 95. We bring 100x over, subtract both sides. 0, negative 10x squared minus 100 minus 95. Negative 100 plus 95 equals negative 5x plus 50. Okay, we make this positive, we bring it to the other side. 10x squared plus 5x minus 50 equals 0. We divide 10. We divide 10 equals 10, x squared plus half x minus 5 equals 0. Two numbers add to give half, multiply to give negative 5, which is 2.5 and 2. So x plus 2.5, one bracket, x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x equals negative 2.5. Disregard this. X equals 2 kina. The original price is 2 kina.
Okay, well done, Lester and Pond Relay and Vui. Any questions so far? What? Which one? This one here? Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. A square ABXY is drawn. Outside the hexagon, find angles in triangle BFY. Okay, a square ABXY is drawn outside the circle, so that's, outside the hexagon, so it's correct. You are asked to find the angles in the triangle BFY. Okay, you all know that a square has equal sides. So if AB and XY are part of the square, then these two are also equal. And AF, it belongs to the regular hexagon, so it's also equal to AB. AB and AF are equal. Okay, and if AYXB is a square, then these two must also be equal. So I think that should be clear. Okay, let's just see how Pond Relay got I think he explained very well how he got the angles. Okay, first he got angle AFB, which is, where is AFB? AFB, which is this one. Okay, AFB, okay, this angle and this angle must be the same because triangle FAB is an isosceles triangle. Okay, the angles that we want are this angle, and this one, because these are the three angles of the triangle BFY. Okay. How did he get this 120? You all know how he got 120? That's one interior angle of a hexagon. So this angle here is 120 degrees. So if you take away 120 from 180, you are left with 60. He divided 60 by 2, and he got these two. Okay, which is 30. So this is 30 degrees and this is 30 degrees. So that's that 30 there, if I followed correctly. Okay. So AFB, he says AFB, where is it? AFB is equal to ABF. And it's equal to 30 degrees. So this is 30 and this is 30. Okay, now we have to find, which one is this one? FBY. FB. Okay, FBY, he says, is equal to ABF. Angle ABF, let's just check that one. ABF is equal to F, where is F? FBY. Okay, FBY, let me do that again. FBY is equal to ABF, which is this one, plus ABY. Okay, this triangle is also an isosceles triangle. This triangle here. ABF we already found to be 30 degrees. Why is it 45 degrees? Why is it 45 degrees? The reason is because BY is the diagonal of the square. And this is 90 degrees. We all know that that's the angle, one angle in a square. So this is 90 degrees, therefore this is 45 and 45. So this angle here is 30 plus 45, which is 75 degrees. Is that clear now? Okay. You should have worked it out. It's 45 because it's only true in a square. Okay. What about this one? Angle BFY. Where's BFY? BFY. We know that this is 30. Okay, this is equal to this now. If this is 120 and this is 90, subtract from 360 degrees, which is 210. From 360 degrees, you'll get this one, which is 150. And very simply, if that's 150, this is 15 and this is 15. 150 plus 30 is equal to 180 degrees. That answers the rest of the questions. Okay, so that's 30 plus 15, 45. And then this is 45 plus 15, which is 60 degrees. That wasn't hard. Any others? No, the other two are okay, yeah. This one all right? Okay, Lester made X the original price. The increase is 50 Toya, so the new price is X plus 50. If you used 100 kina to buy 20 tickets, the price of one will be 100 over 20. So it's also vice versa. You can divide the price the total price by the number of articles that you buy, and it will give you the price for one. That's what he's done here. This will give you, this is the number of articles that he was supposed to buy originally. It's 100 divided by the price for one ticket. Clear? So this is the number of tickets. It's the price over it's the total price over the price for one ticket. That will give you the number of tickets. So this is the original one. It's been decreased by 10. So this one is, if this one is, you get an answer which is going to be less here and an answer which is going to be more here. Because X plus you can just tell by this that this number here is more than this one. So this price will be more, because when you divide a number by a number that is less, okay, you will get more than if you divided a number by a number which is more. So that's why you have to subtract 10 here and not on the other side. If not, you can add 10 here and it will give you the original price, that was the original number of tickets, sorry. So is that clearer now? And then all he did was got the lowest common multiple and multiplied. But from here, you don't have to get x squared plus half x minus 5. I think he's actually smart by doing that. You can just get 5 out here and you get 5. You take 5 outside the brackets, you get 2x squared plus 1x minus 10 equals 0. And you get 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. You get 2x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 10 equals 0. And then you get x, 2x plus 5, and then minus 2. You get 2x plus 5 here. You get 2x plus 5 times x minus 2. This one will give minus 2.5, which is what is got here. And this one will give 2. You have to accept the positive one because x represents the original price. Okay, so x is 2. Therefore, the original price was 2 kina. You can check by dividing 100 by 2, substituting 2 here, that's 2 kina 50, divide and you see which one is more by 10. Is it clear? Okay. Anyone wants to answer number 13? No volunteers for number 13? Let's see what number 14 is. Okay, is number 14 easier than number 13? Okay, we'll do number 14 first and then we'll come back to number 13 so that we answer that, otherwise we might waste time answering question 13. Okay, question 14, the velocity time graph for a particle is given below. What is the acceleration of the particle? The acceleration is given by the gradient of this line. Any answers for that? You have a graph that has smaller grids, so you should be able to work that out quickly. Any answers for A? Jake?
9 meters per second squared.
I didn't hear.
9 meters per second squared.
9 meters per second squared. You all got that? Letter B, Livingston. What is the deceleration? You just get a line, the gradient of the other line.
12 liters per second squared.
12 meters per second squared. Good. For how long does the particle travel at constant speed? Megan?
3 seconds.
3 seconds? Is it 3 seconds? Okay, that's from 2 to 5 seconds. Letter D, for how long is the particle decelerating? Then, for how long is the particle decelerating?
1.5 seconds.
1.5 seconds is correct. Is that the last question on that? One more. How far does the particle travel in, first of all, the first second? First 3 seconds. Sorry, that should be the first 3 seconds. Kila, what's your answer for part 1? How far does the particle travel in the first 3 seconds? Anyone with an answer? You're supposed to find the area under the curve. Okay, first 3 seconds is here. You're supposed to find the area of this shape, which happens to be a trapezium, if not divided into 2. So this is 2 times 18 plus half of 2 times 18. 2 times 18 is 36, half of that is 18, if I'm correct. And 2 times 18 is, sorry, 1 times 18, that's 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. Okay, it should be 36 meters. Okay, the second part there, the whole journey, all you have to do is find the area of this shape. Okay, which is, this is going to be 3 times 18, which is 54. And then this triangle is 5.5 times 18. Sorry, 1.5 times 18. That's 27. And here, that's 18. So the total area for that is going to be 18 plus another 18. Okay, 18 plus 27 plus another 18. No. What's the middle one? 54. What? 3. No, I thought it's 27. Half of, okay, 27 on 2 is 12, not 12, 13.5. What? 85 point, oh, you are telling me the answer. Okay, 85.5 meters. Meters. Okay, let's go back to question 13. Okay, which we don't have time to, we've run out of time. Now, what I want you to do for homework is this. You are going to complete this question and someone is going to answer it for us. I want you to do it because it's based on solid trigonometry, and you have to think, if you, the base is a hexagon, if I can just explain it quickly. Sorry, pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's a regular pentagon. The height that is from the center up is 8 centimeters. And here is 5 centimeters. Okay, what you need to do is to, you all know that one angle is 108 degrees. You have to divide from the center to here and the center to here. These two are equal. And they are not half of 5, no. You should know this angle here, and you should also, when you know that from 108, you can work out this one. So this is an isosceles triangle. You draw a perpendicular bisector here, and you can work it out, because you need that to find this side, which is V, I don't know, whatever that is. But you need that, so I don't think it's that hard now. So I want you to do that. So that's question, you're going to do question 13. You are also going to read the section in your textbook on matrices. Find it in your textbook and read it, because I'm going to go through it fast. Okay, the keyword to the pilot teacher is matrix. Good afternoon, class. Thank you.
It's only a heartbeat away. When I need love, I hold out my hands and I touch love. I never knew there was so much love keeping me warm night and day. Miles and miles of empty space in between us. A telephone can't take the place of your smile. But you know I won't be traveling forever. It's cold out, but hold out and do like I do when I need you. I just close